In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively utilize online marketplaces like Walmart and eBay to start a simple yet potentially profitable e-commerce venture. This method involves leveraging the expansive product inventory available at Walmart to supply your eBay store, ultimately creating a streamlined process where you can build an e-commerce business with minimal initial investment. Let's begin by opening Google Chrome, your reliable companion in this digital journey. First, we're going to establish your online presence by setting up accounts on both Walmart and eBay. On Walmart's website, head over to the sign up section and fill in your details. Make sure to use a professional sounding email address, as this can help build trust with potential buyers. Repeat the process on eBay, ensuring the account is linked to your email for easy management of notifications and updates. With your accounts ready, the next task is finding products on Walmart that boast good reviews and promise reasonable shipping times. The key here is to focus on items that already have a positive track record, as these are often easier to sell due to their established trust with customers. Browse through different categories and pay attention to customer reviews and ratings. These insights are invaluable in helping you select items that better meet buyers' expectations. Once you've identified some promising products, the next step is to list them on eBay with a slight markup. This involves using your eBay account to create listings for these Walmart products. As you create each listing, consider utilizing clear, high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Be transparent about the product details and capitalize on the features that make each item attractive to buyers. Setting a competitive but profitable price is essential, so research similar listings to gauge the market. Remember, your goal is to make a profit while still appealing to potential customers. Now let's talk about handling sales transactions. When a product sells on eBay, you will purchase it directly from Walmart. Go back to Walmart, add the product to your cart, and during checkout, simply enter the eBay buyer's shipping details instead of your own. This dropshipping method allows you to avoid the cost and logistics of handling physical inventory, providing a smooth experience for both you and your customer. Finally, it's crucial to keep meticulous track of your orders and engage in active customer service. Create a spreadsheet or database to organize details such as which products have been sold, their respective shipping statuses, and any communication with buyers. Proactively reach out to your customers post-purchases to ensure satisfaction, as exceptional service encourages positive feedback and repeat business. Through these steps, you're now equipped to run your own eBay dropshipping business using Walmart products. With diligence and attention to detail, you can build a thriving online presence. So, why wait? Get started today and watch your e-commerce business grow.